Do hunters kill all demons?
Yes,
So everything that has patterns?
cover those up. You only have those because
My dad was a demon?
you're not one of them, Rumi. You're a hunter, just like your mother was. When the whole moon is sealed, all the demons will be gone from this world, and so will your patterns.
So these will be gone?
Yes, those will be gone.
This is what I am.
Rumi,
No, you knew I was a mistake from the very start. Do what you should have done a long time ago. Before I destroy what I swore to protect.